So in this video, I am going to show you how to add Google Calendar to your desktop in Windows 11. This simple method will give you quick and easy access to your schedule without having to open your browser every time. So let's start the video. First, open Google Calendar in Chrome browser. You can do this by searching Google Calendar into the Chrome search bar. Once it opens, click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the browser. From the drop-down menu, scroll and select Cast, Save and Share option. In this window, you will find Create Shortcut option. Previously, the Create Shortcut option was located in the More Tools menu. If you don't see it in the current menu, you can also check under the More Tools tab. So choose the Create Shortcut option. A pop-up window will appear. Make sure to click on Create option. This will create a Google Calendar shortcut on your desktop, allowing you to access it directly. Now close the Chrome browser and you will see the Google Calendar shortcut on your Windows 11 desktop. You can now open Google Calendar directly from here. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up.